Hello, my dear friends of Symphonic Brass Music, and welcome to something, well, controversial, I guess, or not. I don't know. I just want to share my opinion about online courses and online tutorials and all these websites that offers you to get to be the greatest mixing engineer and the greatest producer ever by spending a whole bunch of money and yeah, my opinion about this, my humble opinion about this. And yes, I did this myself. I downloaded 3 videos from a known website. I will not say the name because... And I have a bunch of tutorials, or however you want to call it, from Slate Digital coming with this all access bundle I have for all the plugins. And, well, occasionally I watch them, and occasionally I try to grab something out of it if I don't get further in a mix or something. And I realize, is it worth the money? No. But I want to unwind this a bit. If you're starting out, and you have no experience whatsoever in, let's say you want to be a mixing engineer, just for simplification. You want to be a mixing engineer and you have no idea where to start. And you look in the internet and there's a website telling you, if you give us €100, whatever, or something per month, you will get tutorials and you will be the best mixing engineer ever. Or whatever they say in superlative? No, that's a German word. I don't know. You know what I mean. And, well, you watch that video and then you have... What do you have then? Then you have a professionally recorded, proper prepared session to make, where someone tells you what he did with a whole bunch of experience. And if you're like me, you will not even hear the difference in like half of the stuff the person does. So you're sitting there and saying, well, he did this trick with the 1176 and a Pultec EQ and all that. Let's do something I actually do. He does that trick with a Pultec and then an LA2A and then again a Pultec on the vocals, and well, that's great, and that's why I do this. But you never heard it, and I haven't heard it for years. And you can't really use that trick because you don't know what you're doing. And this is not offensive at all because I didn't hear stuff myself. And I still don't hear certain things. I mean, I'm mixing now for like, yeah, something like 10 years now on a professional basis, which is not really long. And I don't think I'm at the end of a journey. I will never be at the end of this journey, and I will always come across stuff I learn and I figure out that there's something new and something different I hear all of a sudden, and I notice all of a sudden, which is stuff I never heard. And if I listen to my old mixes, I exactly know what I didn't know and or I didn't hear. And so a tutorial wouldn't have helped at all because I don't hear the stuff, and I just do it because someone on the internet told me I should do it. Okay, this is something where you should start, obviously. But, and this is no advertisement for me, but I do mix rundowns, and a lot of other people do as well. So if you watch these for free on YouTube, you get some ideas too, because I nicked some stuff from Andrew Sherbs, and I nicked some stuff there and here, and I picked stuff up there. Where did I get it from? Yes, tutorials, but most of them were for free in the internet, on YouTube or somewhere. Okay, I spent quite a lot of money, or some money, on that template session by Andrew Scheps because I was really interested in his approach I saw on YouTube videos, and I just wanted to have the session and want to get these ideas. And I took his template and made it my own and implemented it into my thing. So that might be helpful if you're working like that, if you're seeking for that sound. But everything else, no. I have a client right now who does something pretty new for me, and I'm waiting for the files. I want to do a genre I never worked in, and I'm really, really excited. And I checked my Slate Digital account, where there is someone mixing exactly that genre, and I watched that video, and no, there was nothing I could grab from, because I did stuff so completely different that I can't take his ideas, or in other terms, he didn't do anything special at all. There's just, well, there's a kick, let's put some EQ and compression on it. Well, figure, we have done this anyway. And if I watch back the videos I actually bought for money, this is just either it's common sense or it's something weird that's been told on another interview somewhere else, which you can read about, or you just listen to the music and imagine yourself where it came from, how it was made. So you do your reverse engineering yourself without someone telling you how they got there, because the material you're gonna have is so completely different from what these tutorials will show you. So this is number one is, okay, I have to. So number one is, you will not hear everything if you start out. So you can't really take these ideas because you don't know what you're doing, because you don't listen, or you can't hear what the pro did. And if you're seeking for just ideas how to do stuff, go on YouTube and watch my videos, watch other people's videos. There's a bunch of tutorials, or watch these Waves videos they do from Wave plugins. You don't have to have Wave plugins, just grab the idea and use it with your plugins. So that's point one and point two. And point three is, if you're already a pro or semi-pro or advanced or whatever, how you want to call yourself, you can do reverse engineering by just listening to the songs, and will get ideas. They did, and by making them your own and doing them your way, you actually create something original and not copying something. And point four, you learn way more if you try it yourself than you're just copying the work someone else did. So I think that these online courses, videos, are not worth the money at all, because there's something like YouTube and guys like me who talk about recording and mixing and so on and so forth. Let me know your opinion in the description down below, and we'll have a little discussion. I hope you like this sort of videos. If you like it, please hit that subscribe button and a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye.